Hello and welcome to our today's journey through the newest version of our Splice Site Prediction Tool, version 2.0. A part of varSEAK, our software for variant interpretation and shared experience and knowledge. My name is Gabi from JSI Medical Systems, a German bioinformatics company providing software solutions for sequencing analysis and variant interpretation. To access the Splice Site Prediction Tool, we first open the web link varSEAK.bio. In the middle of the screen, you directly can enter your gene, transcript, and variant of interest and start the analysis by clicking Search. For today's tutorial, I will use the example given below. In the upper right part of the screen, you can see the selected gene, in our example CFTR, the chosen transcript, the HGVS nomenclature of your variant, and further details. The tool draws your attention directly to the center of the screen. Our variant of interest, highlighted in red, is shown in the middle of the sequence view. As you can see, we have a substitution where a G is replaced by an A, which leads to a new AG in the variant sequence. Because AG is a core motif of a 3' acceptor splice site, a new potential splice site is generated in close proximity to the authentic one. The two positions are listed in the table on the lower left. With the radio buttons in the beginning of each line, you can select for which position you would like to have the details displayed. For the authentic splice site, you can see that the branch point and AG exclusion zone are shifted due to the variant. Without the variant, the probability for the authentic splice site to be functional is over 34%. With the variant, the probability significantly drops to the lower than -18%. This makes a total difference of -52%, indicating a possible loss of function. If you now have a look to the new potential splice site, the probability for this position to be a functional splice site is over 31%. This value points towards the new splice site being used instead of the authentic one. This is exactly what the 3' acceptor splice site prediction box on the lower right displays. Use of de novo splice site 6 nucleotides upstream of 3' splice site. Accordingly, the overall prediction result is the highest of 5 possible values, the class 5 splicing effect. For documentation purposes, you can export the splice site prediction results as a PDF using the corresponding button in the upper right. To analyze your variants, you can simply change the content of the input fields at the top right of the page. Alternatively, you also can analyze a list of different variants by using the button Analyze File. Accepted file formats are CSV and TXT. The file content needs to be organized in a certain format, as you can see in the examples. After choosing your file, the analysis will start right away and automatically generates a PDF report containing the overall prediction for each variant. This already brings us to the end of our little journey. I hope you gained an impression of the various features and functionalities of our Splice Site Prediction Tool. If you would like to evaluate in a locally installed version, just let me know which of the following two options you prefer. A free trial license of the SSP version 2.0 integrated in our varSEAK software, a precompiled C library you directly can integrate in your local sequencing analysis pipeline. Please do not hesitate to contact me for any further information. Start now making your own experience at varSEAK.bio or contact me for your personal introduction. Furthermore, discover our broad product portfolio on JSI-medisys.com. Looking forward to our personal journey with you. Goodbye.